This is my Arduino, and here is your temperature and humidity sensor. It has 3 pins. Identify the little S on the corner. That is your signal pin. Right next to it is your power pin, and the last one is your ground pin. Now let's connect this sensor to the Arduino using this breadboard. First, I'm going to connect the signal pin to number 2 on my Arduino. There's my 2. Next, power supply to 5 volts. And finally, the ground pin to the ground on my Arduino. Now it's time to program our Arduino. This is the code that I'm going to use. I'm going to compile it for my Arduino UNO, but I get this compilation error. No such file or directory, dht.h. So I'm going to use this header and it's not available. Let's see how we can install that library. Go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, and on top, search for DHT sensor library. It's the first one that you'll see. It's going to support these sensors, DHT11, 22, etc., temperature and humidity sensors. Check if it's the latest version and install that library. If you are prompted with this, install all dependencies and everything. Now it's installed. Let's compile it again. Yep, no issues, no errors. Now I'm going to connect my Arduino. Upload, it's going to compile and upload it. Open the serial monitor and you will see your temperature and humidity. It's going to give you your humidity and temperature every 2 seconds because I have this delay here. See you all next time. Bye bye.